Hi there, you are a beautiful session with me. In this session, we are going to discuss about the atom. Atom is not Indian word, atom is the Greek word. According to the Greeks, atom is come from the word which is called as atomio. The meaning of atomio is called as indivisible. So without atom, nothing will be produced. So atoms are called as building blocks of all types of the materials. Now every atom is made up of three kinds of subatomic particles. Those are nothing but protons, neutrons and electrons. These three are considered as subatomic particles. In these three, protons and neutrons are exist inside the nucleus. So these two are called as nucleons. Now let's see the structure of atom. Okay, this is the structure of the atom. Now in this atom, we are observing a different colored subatomic particles. Now at the center of the atom, we find the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, there is the presence of protons and neutrons. Protons are having a positive charge and the neutrons are having a negative charge. These two are called as nucleons. Already we have discussed about that. And a number of electrons are moving around the nucleus in the circular path. This kind of circular path is called as orbits. So this model looks like a planetary system. Just imagine the sun as the nucleus. Just imagine the planets as the electrons. So this concept was proposed by the scientist which is named as Niels Bohr. So this kind of model is called as Niels Bohr atomic model. Now the orbits are represented by the letters which are called as K, L and M. Each shell is having a defined number of electrons. K shell is having 2 electrons. L shell is having 18 electrons. M shell is having 18 electrons. So depending upon the electronic configuration of a particular element, then the number of shells are completely increased. Okay, this is the about the atom. And when we observe the structure of the molecules, each molecule is produced by the combination of number of atoms. So the number of atoms will be combined by the natural form in the form of heat and in the form of light. Now when the two atoms will be combined, there is the transfer of electrons and there is the sharing of electrons and loss of electrons as well as gaining of electrons takes place. Now the structure you are observing here is called as O2 molecule. Now this O2 molecule is produced by the number of oxygen atoms. Now when the two oxygen atoms will be combined, the electrons are completely gained or the electrons are completely lost, and there is the chance for the formation of the bond. This kind of the bond is called as a covalent bond. Sometimes there is the formation of ionic bond itself. Now all the molecules are not having the same type. Depending upon the type of atoms which are involved in the formation of the molecules are classified into the two types. One is the homoatomic molecules and next one is the heteroatomic molecules. Homoatomic molecules are having same type of oxygen atoms. For example, oxygen molecule is having the same type of atoms and the H2O molecule is having different types of atoms itself.